Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to learn the Peter Gunn theme, which is a cool beginner riff and at the same time a great finger flexibility exercise and a picking exercise. You might know it as Blues Brothers theme song and is very popular. The riff looks like this. One thing you may have noticed, this exercise deploys the pinky. This is the first time we are using pinky in any exercise. To play this riff, first position your fingers parallel to the strings like this. Okay, each finger is for one fret. The first finger is on second fret, the second on the third fret, the third on the fourth fret, and the pinky is for the fifth fret. The pattern is open, open, second, open, third, open, fifth, fourth, open, open, second, open, third, open, fifth, fourth, open, open, 2, open, 3, open, 5, 4. That's the whole riff. When you're playing it for the first time, it may sound like this. The trick to make it sound good is first position your fingers on the 6th string. You may find it difficult to keep your fingers stretched out. Try to use the correct finger on correct fret, even if you have to move your hand a little bit. Okay? When a little comfortable playing this way, try to stretch your fingers. It may seem difficult in the beginning, and that's okay. Practice it throughout the week and you'll be better at doing it as time passes by. This is not just the riff, a lot more is going through it. It is great finger exercise that uses all 4 fingers. Also, at the same time, you are getting used to pick only one string with your strumming hand. You may also find it challenging to hit only one string at times. You might find yourself hitting more than one string. That's okay. Forgive yourself, take a deep breath, and on your next practice, try not to hit other strings. Don't rush through it. Do whatever pace you can pick up and try to improve on it and increase the speed. But whatever speed you pick up, be consistent with that. The idea behind this Peter Gunn theme is to play a fun recognizable thing to do on Guitalele, but there are also exercises associated with it. Keep practicing and when you are feeling comfortable, then try moving on to other strings like this. That's all about Peter Gunn theme. If you like this video, hit the like button and if not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel.